And this is in the display mode, which shows all the different colors. It comes with this remote right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit mode. Here's all the colors. You can just simply move your finger around to change the colors to all kinds of different shapes right here. And you can see it has this up and down right here. Pretty cool. You can also adjust the brightness or the color on by sliding this forward and back. And you can hit white, this W right here, to make it go straight back to that. And you can go back into mode, which changes it, and then you can either slow how fast it changes by hitting this S right here, or this S plus to really speed it up, make it go wild, maybe for some Christmas party, or if you're going crazy, or to irritate your neighbors. And then slow it back down by hitting S down, so it'll just change really slow. You can get, you know, kind of exactly whatever you'd want out of it as far as colors. You got yellows, got greens over here, got some blues, reds, etc. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision. So to pair the remote, once everything is installed, simply turn off the light, then within 5 seconds turn it back on and hit 1 3 times within 3 seconds of turning it back on. So I'm going to show that it flashes a color if you pair the remote. So you turn it off, then you turn it off and back on within 5 seconds, then hit the dial 3 times, and you can see how it started to flash like that? That means it's successfully paired. Then you can go ahead and change all of the different color options, which are really cool at night. It comes with this cool remote, and it comes with a mounting bracket for the wall, which is super nice as well. And it's pretty easy to program, has a ton of different features on it. And the box comes super nicely packaged with these 2 lights and your individual bulbs. You can see here is the light here and everything you need to install it. And it even comes with these screws to mount the remote, and even sticky pads if you don't want to screw it in the wall. You can see the light there. It comes with the tools on the Allen wrench to undo the glass, which these are glass, they're not plastic, and they're really well sealed. And it comes with here's all the mounting hardware, and here's a nice feature as well. It comes with extra of these little guys right here to mount it up to the wall, which help. And here are the bulbs, which are nice and expensive, and that comes with 4 bulbs. It makes it a great value.